Okay.
சார் மோஸ்ட்லி கான்ட்ராக்ட் ட்ரேடிங் தான் சார். பட் எனக்கு ஒரு சின்ன டவுட் இருந்துச்சு, அந்த குரூப்ல போட்டிருந்தேன். மேபி எண்ட் ஆஃப் த செஷன் ஏதாவது டிஸ்கஸ் பண்ண முடிஞ்சா கூட.
Sure, sir. Sure, sir. You asked about the volume profile, right?
எஸ் சார். அது
Okay. So members can feel comfort. So request to what you said requirement today. So mainly Aditya sir referred the session lot of members to give overview about market profile and order flow. So that is the primary session. So once completed this overview part, then we proceed for the doubt clearing and other discussions. Okay. So people who have the additional information required, so you can share in the chat session as well. Okay. So last week's session request members to select the emoji and confirm. So last week's session, who are all attend last week's session? Because major members of last week's session attended, then I can understand they already aware about market profile introduction. Then I will go quickly and see some charts as examples. Okay, now I ask question. In this, out of 41 members, who are all not aware about market profile and order flow? Can you confirm? Anybody in this group doesn't know about market profile and order flow? Okay. So Mr. Morgan confirmed he is new to market profile. Noted. Yes. Yes, Poonam sir. Yes, please unmute and speak. Poonam sir. Poonam Singh. Yes. Okay, you are raising the hand. You are the new to market profile. Okay. Okay, few of the members are new to market profile and order flow. Okay, I will explain the importance of market profile and order flow as a beginning of the session. Then you go for the doubt clearance and any specific charts we need to analyze, we can do. Okay. So thanks for your joining this session. Welcome all to Markets in Profile group. So market profile, while you are using the market profile, why the market profile chart is completely different from the other type of charts? The market profile chart is a visual approach to understand the market structure, comparing the price action. More than that, one can better about both traders and investors. See, while you are referring the normal candlestick chart or other type of charts, we can know the price action. We know the price action. Price action only we are aware, right? In the candlestick pattern or trending pattern or trend line or any other, mainly we are focusing about price action. But in market profile, focusing about auction process. So while you're seeing the auction process, when the auction started, then suddenly the prices jump up and again auction continue, then suddenly jump some. So various participants are entering in the auction process and bring the price to the next level. For example, if the auction start with 1 lakh, any of the auction will start with 1 lakh, then the major members or major participants are they making the auction the gap of 10,000 points or above. Only there is a difference. Suddenly one participants bring this auction to next level. They ask for 3 lakh. Then the auction slowly goes for the next level, small points. Suddenly one participants asking the auction for 5 lakh. Similarly, in our market also, market always slightly in the sideways, suddenly is go to peak, then sideways, then peak, then sideways, then peak, right? So why this happen? The market participants who willing to accept the price and willing to pushing upside, then again accept the new price and pushing upside the new price. So here focusing on the participants willingness, participant willingness. So in market, we are seeing lot of participants, right? Various type of participants. Is a long-term investors. That's why I'm mentioning long-term investors, short-term investors, and intraday players. Yes, Morgan sir, and intraday players and scalpers. So in market participants, various participants are in the market. So each and every participant's requirement is different. Their acceptance capability is different. Okay, the purpose of entering the market is also different, right? So we need to understand the market behavior. Why we need to understand the market behavior? Because we are having the various type of participants. So that's why the market profile help us to know the auction process very well, comparing the other charts, and give importance to now market is in whose control. Market is in whose control. This is controlled by long term, then definitely market started the trend. This is controlled by short term traders, then that will be in the some range area, some range bound. So these are the information as a trader is required for us to understand the market well. Correct. Without understanding, how can we approach the market? We can't get the getting the 10 points, that getting the 50 points. This and all not a market understanding. If a people who are all thinking the daily capturing the 10 points or 50 points in the market momentum, that is not actual momentum. As a market profile trader, we should capture at least 100 points, 200 points we should be captured. So when the 100 points and 200 points will be happen, when the 100 points and 200 points will be happen, only the institutions, correct, other time frame traders, when the institutions are entering the market, when the smart money entering the market, correct, big money. So our ambition and our requirement should be how to identify the how to identify the spot money in the market when the initiative is happening. Yes, please.
சார்
Simbu.
தமிழ்ல கிளாஸ் எடுக்க மாட்டீங்களா?
Today lot of members from other language also joined in the session. That's why we are conducting the English in our
ஓகே
upcoming sessions also, maybe in the English as well as in Tamil. Don't worry, Simbu. Okay.
ஓகே ஓகே
So
தேங்க்யூ.
here a lot of new members are joined, Simbu. I told no, lot of Aditya sir referred to the session, lot of new members to know what is market profile and the importance of market profile. So we can cover that as a primary topic to the members. Then we go for our other questions, regular questions. Okay.
ஓகே ஓகே சார்.
Okay. Thank you.
தேங்க்யூ சார்.
So when the initiatives are happening, when the initiator are enter the market, so these are the information is very important as a trader to understand the market. Correct. So this informations how this information how can we get from the chart. We need this special chart. We need the way of approach is different. So that's why the market profile clearly follow the bell curve process, where the maximum participants are in the market and where the fair price and where the fair value. Okay, when the next imbalance activities are happen, various concepts are inbuilt in the market profile. So that's why it's a more as a graphical tool which screams price, time, and volume relationship, etc. So that's why the market profile plays a different role comparing to other tools. And an important note we have to look, why trading is so difficult. Why trading is so difficult? So just unmute and tell why trading is so difficult. In your regular trading experience, why trading is so difficult you are feeling? Yes,
சார் அதை புரிஞ்சிக்க முடியல எங்களால, அதனால கொஞ்சம் ஹலோ
why trading is so difficult?
சார், அதான் சார், நாங்க வந்து அதோட அதோட
Yeah, you can type in chat also.
சார், சாரி,
சொல்லுங்க சொல்லுங்க.
அது வந்து அதோட 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 மூமெண்ட்டை புரிஞ்சிக்க முடியல சார். அதை எப்படி
Correct.
போடுது, ஃபெயிலியர் ஆகுதுல்ல, அதெல்லாம் தான்.
So here we unable to understand the momentum. Correct. We unable to understand the momentum of the market, when the momentum will happen. So who will making the momentum in the market? Anybody tells? Who making the momentum in the market?
OTFs.
OTF. Perfect. Very good, Suresh sir. OTF. Institutions. Maybe we can tell smart money, right? So if we need to understand when the momentum is will be happen in the market, definitely we should know when OTF or institution or spot money entering the market. If we identified when these people are entering the market, definitely we can able to catch the momentum. This is answer. This is the basic difficult facing by every trader in the market. So the current tool is capable. Yes, it's capable. So which the candlestick you are using, and but the information what we getting is getting delayed, and we don't know whether the momentum is will be continue or not. The momentum will be continue or not. That will be very important, right? The continuation of the momentum, monitoring, execution, and monitoring. That also very important. Different type of candlestick, trading trend line, breakout, or are we will aware, and we learn from different type of trainers, and you done the lot of experience and experiment in the market. And still why we are facing the challenges, because these 2 points are very important. We are facing the challenges to how to identify the OTF, how to identify the OTF and smart money and the institutions when they are entering. Once they entered, we should know the process, how to know. So that is market profile help us with have the different type of references. We have the approach in the market profile. So while this reference, along with this reference, referring this reference, we can able to understand, yes, now the market is in control of spot money or OTF. So from that point, we can able to know how long this momentum will happen. These are the information is very important to know the which side the direction is the strength. That's so important. Auction strength. Auction strength. Which side is a buy side auction strength or sell side option strength, upside auction strength or downside auctions. So through the market profile, we can able to understand the auction strength. So the, here the member asked the question how to identify the how to identify the momentum. So we should know how to identify the auction strength. Then the answer will get how to identify the auction strength. Then how to identify the momentum will be the answer. Okay. And mainly the another important difficult facing by the traders, emotional. Why? Because because why the emotion is coming? Fear of missing opportunity. Fear of missing opportunity is means what? If you are the breakout trader, you are making this line, you are waiting when the breakout happens. Suddenly the prices breakout and suddenly it goes upside. Correct? So we miss the opportunity. So this particular breakout will be happen or not. There is a possibilities for happen. There is a possibilities for happen, or what is the probability? What is the probability to have the breakout in this line? These are the information need as a trader before entering the trade. So once the trader understand whether there is a possibilities for breakout, whether there is no probability for breakup, then he no need to worry, right? If the possibilities and probabilities are there, then make a proper trade setup. Then proper trade setup. So what type of trade setup I can select? Whether I can go with the equity, or whether I can go with the future, or options, or option strategies, or which type of option strategies I can deploy now, and how to hedge the particular entry before entering the market. These are the areas that once a trader learn, then the emotion will be controlled. So once we enter the trade, the MTM is going up. One time the profit is going up, suddenly it's coming down, then going up. These are all the making the emotions of the trader, right? So we have to avoid this. We have to focus on what are the possibilities in the market, what are the probabilities in the market, whether these possibilities and probability are helping us for the day. Then what type of trade setup I have to be deploy in the market, which type of trade setup need for this market sentiment. Once the trader understand these are the points, definitely the emotion will be normal. The emotion will be normal. So what to do? What to do? So prepare the context. Prepare the context with the help of market profile. With the help of market profile. Then the emotional will become a normal. The trading decision will be the correct. So they will not struck repeatedly. So these are the things we should know how to approach the market. Which side is the risk of the market? Which side is the risk? These are the information need. Correct. So these are the difficulties. These are the difficulties. Whether we can able to overcome? Yes, definitely we can able to overcome. Definitely we can able to overcome. See why this particular emotional and difficulties and unable to find the market. How to avoid these particular difficulties? So we have to stop. We have to stop external informations. We always focus in the external informations, news and all required. I'm not telling we have to deny, but we should know how to identify that particular news as a reference in the market. News as a reference in the market. Example, in your experience, lot of stocks, have the good results, have the good results. But after the result day, the market slightly gap up, then again comes down. Why this happen? Here the news is a positive news, right? Then why the market is reflecting the negative? Several times this particular example again and again happening in the market, still the members, still the traders are believing the news, giving the importance to news instead of the giving the importance to reference, instead of giving importance to the context. Whatever happens in the news, definitely that will be reflect in the chart. So once the reference reflects the chart, we do the follow through. So here the facing challenges is very important. How to follow the market? How to follow the market? We are focusing only the small capturing of 10 to 50 points is most of the time. But we are not ready to capturing the points once the trend started. The market trend started, it's going 1,000 points rally always. Minimum 1,000 points rallies happen, right? When the market reached 22,000, Nifty now reached 23,000. Everyone told this level, yes, now market started rally. Why they not taking the trade? Why they not follow the anybody in the group? He captured this 1,000 points at least 30% of 300 points. Anybody captured in this group? Please share your experience. We learn from you. Here the 40 members are here, unable to get one hand rise. Market rally happened from 22,000 to 23,000, but we are not able to capture the 300 points, at least 30% of move, whether we are in the perfect in trading way. We have to think this point because we don't have the setup how to capture these points. We are not prepared. We are not prepared. We are not practiced. We are not practiced. We have to focus this. We have to focus this. If you think for the next 10 days, you are capturing daily 20 points into 10 days. So overall 200 points you are capturing. Okay. 200 counts. What I am telling, focus on preparation and practice. What are the ways to capture these 300 points? Then you enter the market aramsly, silently, in calm way. We can able to capture this moment. So we have to aim high. We have to aim high. How to hold? How to hold the current position? How to hedge our options? How to make the follow through? Which expiry I have to use? Which strike price I have to use? What are the combination we need to enter the market? This all are comes under trade setup, preparation and practice. We are not ready to learn or focus how to capture these 1,000 points, but we are making the regular discussion. Market will go 1,000 points. One member will chat in the group. Market will go on 1,000 points. Yes, yes, go. What will do, pa? What is the benefit as a trader? I came here to earn the money, not watch the market. Earn money, not to watch the market. Several years I am in the market, but I am not able to capture 30% of move in the rally. Then what is the purpose I am in the market? we are giving the brokerage and taxes to government. We have to focus this very important point what I'm highlighting here. Always, always we need some convection in the market. So these are the things we have to change. We have to change it immediately. We have to change it immediately, our way of approach. We have to focus how to capture the big trade, how to capture the market rally. So we need to have different type of, we need to have the different type of earning method, different type of earning method. So we have to focus long term equity investment, some percentage. We learned, once we learn the market, we have to utilize the potential of the market. We will tell this particular Infosys stock is breakout, then another 300 points will go and buy at least 100 quantity or at least 10 quantity, buy and hold it. This is one type of potential, we have to use it. And and now the nifty is in 23,000. Maybe the chances for coming the retrace for at least 5%. Then what you then think, what is the trade setup I have to focus? What is, if my trade setup focusing for the downside, but market is not supporting my view, it's is reacted in the opposite side, how do I manage? How do I manage? How much the risk is there? How to turn my position into upside? My initial position is the direction is a downside. Then market reaction is changed, and we've also changed, and confirmation also I received. How can I turn my position to opposite direction? We have to focus here. These are the areas we have to focus, learn, practice well. We have to capture the market rally as well. This also some percentage we have to need money in the position trade. And if you are the full-time trader, you have the good screen time, then daily momentum is happen. How to capture the daily momentum? Daily momentum. How to see the today we have the possibilities to get the momentum trade. Today we don't have the possibilities. So we have a clear trading plan. If the momentum direction trade, what is the trade plan I have? If you have the range bound day, what is the trade plan for today? We always sitting and seeing only the momentum trade, that will not happen, because 80% of time, 70 to 80% of time, market is in sideways. Only 20% of time only market is in the direction. But here the 80% of our time we are looking for direction trade, but we are not looking for the non-direction trades. There is a controversial, right? Clearly the controversial is the market sentiment is different, our sentiment is different. Then how can we overcome this area? How to overcome? As a trader, we are selected this trading as a career, or is the trading is the only solution, my lifetime will be changed. The same seriousness we have in the learning, this, we identified, right? These are the areas I need to change my approach. Anybody taken any steps? Still we are focusing only momentum trade only. We have to align us, we have to align ourselves along with the market sentiment, always along with the market sentiment, along with the market sentiment. If the market is going up, we have to go up. If the market is sideways, we have to make a sideways. So these are the things, as a trader we have to change our approach in the market. Otherwise we can't survive long period in the market. As my experience, I'm telling, to survive the market, definitely we should know how to align ourselves along with the market sentiment, and also we should have different type of income methods. Then only we can able to increase our increase our income in the market and our capital. These are the requirements. These are the basic requirements in the market. As a trader, these are the basic requirements. We should be improve our ability how to do this type of trades in the market. Then only we can able to make good money from the market, and we make a competitive income from our current stage. This is acceptable by everyone.
Yes, sir.
So
Clear,
how the
sir.
market, yes, perfect. How the market profile helps us. Here the first step we are taken. Some members are already taken and learn the market profile. Now new members are also approaching the market profile as the first step. So how the market profile helps the trader? The trader can able to understand the gaps, small gaps or big gaps happen in the market, how to handle. So what are the challenges facing by the traders? Gap ups, right? Gap ups and gap down. This is the major issue facing by traders. This is what happen. We can't stop. There is any possibility to stop the gap up and gap down in the market? Is can't, right? So it's a global market. Always is we have the overnight sentiment. Based on the overnight sentiment, the market will be reflect as a gap up or gap down. Instead of instead of we are thinking why gap up dance, we have to learn how to handle this gap up gap down. How to handle, how to handle. We have to change our approach. How to handle. We have to learn. Who knows how to handle the gap up? We have to approach that person and get the knowledge and fix your patch. So which are the gaps in our learning? We have to complete that first. The next what we are mixing. Sometimes market high volatile. Sometimes market low volatile. So we should know what type of trade setup we need in the high volatile and low volatile. Then only we can able to approach the market. Okay. And what happened? This is the all-time high. Example, this is the all-time high. Market went up, almost staying. Last Friday, if you see, almost AP was staying upside the all-time high. Suddenly went down. What will happen? Here, who are all have the holding here the position? If they are the weaker hands, then they have to exit from the market. Otherwise, big stop loss will be happen, right? So how to identify whether this particular level is accepted or rejected in this point is very important. So we need a tool how to identify this particular level is accepted and the possibilities for further rally. No, this particular point is not accepted. This is rejected by the market. Definitely we expect some reversal. Better we exit from the trade and focus on the confirmation. So here the auction process will help for us. Auction process will help in the through the market profile. Then the weaker hands can understand this is not the right time for us. So we have to be make a distance from the market. Once the market confirm the proper approach, then we can to focus. Then the capital will be protected. So these are the various type of traders in the market. Emotional traders, dominated traders. When the expiry comes, the expiry day fully volatile. Why? Because the dominated traders playing the role, they are playing the role dominating the expiry. So we need to proper trade setup for the day. Otherwise, avoid the trade day instead of making the stop loss. And very important, market is not going in straight line, right? Market goes certain level and take rest, come to inventory, then continue the rally, then take rest, came to inventory adjustment, then rally, then inventory adjustment, then rally. That's why higher high, higher high, this concept are coming, right? Higher high, higher high, higher low, these all the concepts are coming. So we should know when the intraday is perfect, when the short-term inventory trade is perfect, we have to do proper setup for the intraday as well as for the inventory day also. So these are the informations need for us from the market and need to learn through market profile. These possibilities are there. So while we are in fear in the market, emotional in the market, why? Because we need to understand the market very well. Once we understand the market very well, definitely our emotional will be in control. Yes, yes, sir. Hand raised by member. Okay. So once we identify which are the areas we weak, which are the areas in we weaker in market understanding, we have to focus that area and improve our knowledge. Will be good. Then we can able to anticipate the market very well. When the market making the short covering, or when the market is happening the long volatility, what type of profile shape in the short covering, what type of profile shape happening in the long liquidation, and whether after this particular references in the market profile, whether is accepted or not accepted. These are the learning. We have to go inside and learn the market, but people are not willing to make themselves uncomfort. That's the challenging utilized by the big institutions. They are thinking we are the weaker hands. The weaker hands meaning how how you taken, I don't know. I thinking the weaker hands meaning we have less knowledge in the market. I'm not thinking about we have the less capital. That's why we are weaker hands. No, it's not capital based weaker hands or stronger hands. This is a knowledge based weaker hands and stronger. The person who has very good knowledge, they should know what type of trade setup have to implement here. The knowledge means how to identify these are the challenges in the market. How to anticipate the incorrect breakout or failed failed auctions, where the market is stop hunting is happening, where the emotional reference are making the role in the market, when the short term reference are making the role in the market, whether we can believe that reference or not. How can we believe the reference? How to believe this reference? To believe this reference, which indication I need to understand the market? These are the deep learning is important in the market. This all not come in 10 days or 15 days. This is a month on month process. You have to be continuous learning and fix this area. Then the success will be follow you. The success will be follow you. Don't go and say the success. The success will be follow you. Okay. So through the market profile, these are the areas definitely is a possibilities. You can improve your market knowledge, and we should learn from perfect mentor and perfect continuous learning as well. So once we got this all the informations from the market profile, definitely we can able to follow this process. Correct? Market understanding, that will come. Whether we can able to real-time market observation, yes, we can able to identify the proper references and accepted or rejected, whether the responsive action are happened or initiatives are happened, market is in which sentiment is a balanced sentiment or imbalanced sentiment. These are the informations through market generated references. Okay, these all are real-time market observation we have noted and making our trade preparation along with the context writing. Along with the context writing. Then we have to focus what type of trade we have to be deploy, how to manage that particular trade, what is our risk management, and this will be give result for the whether we have to take the scalper today. I would be the behave as a scalper in the market, or I have to play as a intraday role in the market, whether I have to hold the position for the 2 days, then only I get the potential, or this will be the continuous process. Then I have to deploy my strategy and making the proper follow through until the market rally completes. We should have the trade pattern. These are the approach we should have readily in our hand. We have to deploy once we understand market perfectly. This is a roadmap. This is a roadmap. Every trader have to note and follow this process, and find why I am not able to understand the market. Then you can put a question: how, where. Make yourself more efficient to play in the market. We are all seeing that. We are all seeing the very good players who Messi, Ronaldo, Dhoni, how they are coming. The preparation, how they prepare themselves from the childhood, how they prepare from themselves through the mentor, through the coach. How many matches they are defeated, how many matches are they are lost, how many matches are they win, how many matches are they are played best player. You check the statistics, all are in average only. But finally, how they are making success. Similarly, as a trader, we are also facing the same challenges. How many dot days we are facing? How many lost days? How many success? What is the success percentage comparing our last days? These are the statistics already in your hand. In your broker terminal, we have the report. Take the report and think whether we are in the right approach for the last 3 months. Take the references. What are the mistakes we done? Why these mistakes done? Really, we have the answer for the mistakes, then rectify and proceed. But we don't know about this mistake. This is a big gap in the knowledge. We have to focus on fixing the gap instead of searching the strategies and holy grail methods. We always going one last phase immediately. What we are thinking, this is not a proper method of learning. We have to focus on holy grail running. We go and search the holy grail running. After the purchasing the holy grail strategy, again that will not work out, then again go for another purchase. This is a continuously we are happening that. But our learning method have to be changed. How to understand the market in patience way, how to capture the big momentum in the market, how to utilize the market potential, and how to improve or increase our capital through utilize of market potential. This is the mind thought process. We should be take it as a aim and focus on learning and improve our style. Then only the success will be follow us. We have to identify the right tool, right approach, right learning method, and with the right guidance. This all need as a trader to become a success, because the market participants is different. In our group 42 members, some members are very interested in this doing the scalping, some members are interested in the intraday, and few members are like me, they always interested in the short time trader and a long time trader. and we have to wait, watch, and the market and capture the right track. What are the methods we have to follow? So these are the things we need to uh, prepare ourselves, make perfect, then approach the market, then you get the success in the market. So these are, I thinking, a weaker hands. These are the weaker hands. We have to fix. If you're seeing the god, how many hats our gods are have? Our Hindu gods. How many hands? If you see Armugam Murugan, how many hands? Lot of hands, right? All are strong hand, right? Similarly, while we are approaching the market, we need lot of hands. That means lot of approaches. Lot of approaches we need, because market have the lot of approaches, right? Market is not reacting the same way, right? Every day that is reacting different way. How can we have the one approach and fight with the market? We should know today what happened. Today open drive, today open test drive, and today open reject reversal, and today 80% rule is implemented, and market today is initiator and responsibility are accepted or rejection. We need to have lot of approaches in the market. Similarly, we should have how to approach the market, how to find the confirmation area. So this and all not come immediately in 10 days or 15 days or a month. At least this is a 3 months process of you. If you start today, that you go the 3 months process, then you know about the market, then properly you will be making the new way of approach with the market. That new way of approach definitely will be lead you to the right destination in the successful point. We have to change. We have to list what are the challenges of last 3 months I faced in the market. How to get all the answers for these particular challenges. Where you have to discuss with your group of members. Find this fixation. Then go forward. Why always go with the same mistake, repeated mistakes we are making in the market, and we are come out? That will not right? One time you go, you face the loss, then why the same approach you are going with the market? Because the people are told, right? So we have the 1:2 ratio of our trade setup. So you take 10 trades. So 5 trade is the success ratio. So 5 into 2, you get 10 points. Then loser 5 into 1, you get 5 points minus. Then finally you get the 5 points. You will be the top. This is the same approach you are continually uh, we are using. This is a very foolish method, I'm telling. Anybody can comment against me. I not bother about that. Because several years I followed this session. Finally, I fed up and closed this area and all. This is not the right approach. We have to change our mindset first. We have to come out from the this type of fixed mindset. These are the fixed mindset. We have to change us as a flexible. We have to flexible, because market have a different approach. Every approach I have to make a flexibility and make themselves to align with the market sentiment and market condition. I have to follow that. Otherwise, we can't be success. Definitely, I'm telling. Otherwise, the people are tells, what is your money management? If you need more money, you increase the capital. No, first you improve your knowledge. You should know answers for why today market happened this. At least in post market hours, you should have the answer. That is the first stage we have to prepare ourselves. At least post market, or we have to be sit and understand why this particular move happened, based on which reference is happened. Maybe I missed in the live market. In post market, definitely I need to identify that reference, because tomorrow the same thing will be happen. I will not miss the opportunity. I will utilize that opportunity. This is the way we have to prepare ourselves. That is the first step every trader have to be change as a day one activity. Without getting the answer for the particular day's approach, don't go trade for the next day. If you go with same day, same approach, definitely you will face the challenge. So what are things we noted here? What are things we noted here? What are the challenges as a trader we are facing and how to avoid, and whether this particular transformation is need or not. Why I need to change my current approach? To change my current approach, what are the benefits I can take and I can able to take from the market? These are the things you have to be list in your ideal time and prepare yourself, because your aim is high. Your aim is high. Why you are choosing trading? You have to think why you are choosing trading. We have lot of business in the world, right? Why we are choosing trading? We have to think that. We have to desire in our dream whether I am in the right path or not. Whether we are in the right path or not. If the right path is not a right path, then go, don't go. Choose the right path. If you don't have the way, please stop further riding. Stop your riding. Current riding, you can to stop. Wait for the right way. While you are going the journey, this is a two-way we are there. So you don't know which way is correct path for you. Are you going this side, then come back and go this side? This is the right approach. You have to wait here and approach somebody here, and finally you can see if you have the compass whether they can telling the direction is right or not. We can cross verification. Okay. Otherwise, we have the Google Map with us or any other references chart. We have references. We have to cross validate. Then we can ask them how many kilometers I have to travel this side, or how many kilometers travel this side. We have to approach. Then we think our vehicle is capable for this route, whether this route is good or not. Any pothole holes are there. This all are we are investigate. Then we start our journey, right? The similar approach you should be in the market as well, because our hard earning money we are putting in the market. Hard earning money we are putting in the market. The money is not coming here easy, right? If you are wealth or you are middle level or you are below level, nothing. Every money coming from the hard earning money as per their own capability. Even is 1 rupee for good for us, that also hard earning money. If anybody have the more than 1 million also is a hard earning money. These are all not come in the easy process. So we are investing our hard money here, then we should go with the proper process, with proper understanding, with proper trading method to get the success. Okay, to get the success. We have to change. This is a time changing period. The people who are all already started a journey is best wishes. Please continue your journey and focusing on market understanding and approach the market with the proper approaching method. Otherwise, be calm and prepare yourself for the right time to approach. So let me go with some examples. So anybody facing this week challenges in any of the script, we can see in the chart now that we have a with example. I share my way of approach, how to identify that particular potential. Uh, then we can conclude this particular session for a day. Yes, we already 1 hour we have the session. So, so what are the areas I am teaching to in my mentorship? Specifically, I give importance to priority for the option strategies. Okay. So priority is the option strategy I am providing in my training, mentorship training. So how the payoff chart basics, if anybody doesn't know about the payoff chart, then I helping them to how to understand the payoff charts and what are the basics in the options and with the different strategies and how to build the option profile and how to get the weekly fixed income, monthly fixed income through the option strategies and adjustments important and very important how to align the option strategies and adjustment because market always in the reaction, right? Lot of strategies in the market, lot of mentors and trainers are providing. Here we are guiding how to manage your position or your strategies when the market reacts with market profile knowledge as well as adjustment method and how to utilize market profile and based on the market profile how to deploy our strategies in the options. These are the areas I'm providing in my mentorship program. Apart the option strategies, apart the option strategies, market profile deep learning. It's not like simply open drive, open test drive, not simply is open drive today, open test drive today, ORR today. Today is the neutral day. Today is the normal day. No, these are all not something different. How do we see the eagle eye, bird eye in the market profile? And how do we find the micro level movement in the market profile each and every period, micro level in the move in the market profile, and how the profile structure in market continuity, trend continuity, how to capture through the market structure wherever we can able to find the visual references in the market profile, how to utilize as a potential references, how to utilize a potential references. These are all for the position trades. And we have a separate intraday approach. We have how to monitor the day development, the particular day development, how to we monitor the particular day development, each and every step of the development of the market, when the open happens, what is the next initial auction is happening, then what is the initial balance, how to approach each and every stage by stage. We can refer the market and identify whether the proper OTF presence or came or not and follow the process. We have the intra-day approach. Already lot of members are following in different groups now. My approach already I teach the freely earlier. Now I teaching in through mentorship only. So more than 3-4 months I was teaching freely. So a lot of market profile traders are approaching, is following that and giving the feedback. This approach is good comparing any of the indicators or nothing. This approach is working there as well. So now I am teaching in my mentorship, and lot of short-term references in the market. All the short-term references, how to handle in the market, whether these references are properly accepted or rejected, then whether I can follow or not to follow, how to I protect my money. This all are different references. People are clearly told, right? Is a poor high, is a poor low, this is PPOC. No, I give the approaches differently. How to identify and note the particular references whether it's working or not. So this and all will be covered in our mentorship market profile learning. So primarily we are covering the market profile and option strategy. Uh, willingness of a few members still willingness of a few members still very crazy in the order flow, but I am not a crazy person on following the order flow, but people are interested in order flow. Then I guiding them how to use the order flow charts in the daily intraday approach. I'm guiding the areas along with the option profile, sorry, along with the market profile. So which are the points we can able to align the order flow along with the market profile. That's also we are covering in our mentorship program. At present, I am not yet started order flow sharing knowledge because I want to make our traders as a independent trader. Don't depend any tool. Today's order flow will come, tomorrow the book map will come, and day after tomorrow the another delta chart will come. Lot of informations will come day by day. So the primary my intention to prepare my traders as independent traders, they have to follow option profile along with the market profile, how to make earn money. That is my primary agenda. We are working on that. Still people are interested in intraday, then I thinking to share the order flow. If any new members, this all the three major areas will be covered in my mentorship program. This all about our learning method in our group. So how we are sharing the knowledge through mentorship program. That's all from my end. Any questions from your side, please ask now. So post question Q&A session, we focus on the chart approach. Whatever the doubts we have to clear. Okay. So any of the chart you want to share and explain about the market approach, please ask your query. Or anybody willing to present the context from my mentorship team also welcome and utilize this particular platform to share your presentation as well.
So Suresh
Yes,
here.
Suresh.
Good
Good
evening.
evening.
Yeah. So when while we are trading,
Mm,
the main hurdle that we are facing is that during the trade is the sideways market. Okay.
yes.
So is there any way that we can able to identify earlier?
Yes, yes. Definitely.
Hmm.
Definitely we can able to know what is the current approach you are following.
Because
Any of
when
the
you
day
when
you
you
can
look,
give it the example.
okay, 1 minute I will find out.
So I want to know what is your current approach. Then will I can able to tell this is right approach or not.
Okay. So I can see few days like in the on the 2nd of May.
Mm,
Okay.
mm,
First 15 minutes, the market was like overreacting,
mm.
and then later it falls into a range mode.
Okay.
Okay. It's in the consolidation mode. So how we can identify earlier that market will be in consolidation?
Okay. So you are referring Bank Nifty chart or Nifty chart?
Yeah, I am referring Bank Nifty.
Okay. This is the chart, right? Bank Nifty. So my chart is visible to everyone. Okay. So what is your context here? Before entering the 2nd May, what is your context here?
Mm.
What is your preparation? The context means nothing. Is a preparation.
Okay. So first thing is, I have a single print which is on the upside. That is on 29th. I have single print, and then
Mm-hmm.
the market moved a lot on that day.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. On
Okay.
30th, I have buying tail. Sorry, selling tail.
Mm. Okay. So it's
Okay.
not selling tail, baby rejection. It's not selling tail.
Yeah. Okay.
It's a
Okay.
rejection.
Okay. Yeah. It's okay.
Okay.
Mm.
Okay. Mm.
Then when you look onto that, it's a B profile
Okay.
also.
So after the rejection, but actually it's not a B profile. First they had created
Mm.
a D profile, then
Mm.
rejection, then overall shape is like a B. Okay.
Okay. Mm.
Okay.
But you can't say this as a B profile.
We can tell this is a B profile. Once people
Mm.
started the market profile, we have to
Mm.
always look on the inside of the profile. So how the auction process happened for the particular day. If the
Mm.
what is the auction process happened for the particular day is a D, right? It's not B. Later is rejected.
Okay. Okay.
So then only we
Okay.
can able to understand that this is the D profile.
Mm.
This is the D profile, not B. But anyway, while you are seeing is a B profile, always we have to look is a B or D. Okay. Similarly, is a P or is a Q. Okay.
Okay.
So there is a differences in the approach. While we are seeing the visually is a B, while we are investigate, we can see is a D. While we are seeing as a P, while we investing, that will be as a Q. The Q is the downside auction. P is the upside auction. B is the downside auction. D is the upside auction.
Okay.
Okay. So D is the upside auction. Then the rejected happens. Yeah, you can tell in yes also we can tell the name, Suresh. Not a problem. It's our own. It's we have to own understanding for us. While we are telling the B, we always thinking is a downside auction. Okay, basically understand.
Okay.
If we had the point D, then we can think is a upside auction, then rejected and reverse. Okay, here the
Okay.
upside auction almost peak is got rejected. Okay, another point context preparation.
Then what happens is, so that's all I can see from uh, 29th and 30th.
Mm.
Mm.
So these are your references, right?
Yes.
So what is your approach? What is your preparation? How are you going to approach? Where your expectation open? If the opens this area, this is my
On
approach.
on 20 on the 2nd May, it opened below value area of 30th. Okay.
Hmm.
And then 30th is also VPPOC.
Hmm. 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 Hmm.
Okay.
So we
So,
by point, Suresh sir.
okay.
Okay. So because so all the members will be that will be help to all the members. First point, open. So open where
Okay.
happens
Below value area.
exactly your single
Single
print.
print.
And what if this is the first reference you told, right? Exactly at the single print. This single print behavior is what? Buy or sell.
So buy.
Buy. Okay. And next reference, this is the value, latest fair value. Latest fair value. Below the latest fair value, we have the open. That also open
Okay.
equal to low. So 2 points you are noted. Open equal to low, open at single print buy, and below the latest value area. Okay. What is your approach now? So one side you are seeing with this profile, uh, Tashi Varman. Yes, raise your hand, please. Please unmute and ask your question. No problem. Okay. So based on this
Hello?
particular, yes.
Uh, Nothing, sir. Sir, I just wanted to ask you, like, after this thing, will you also be able to explain about the first, why the market was so range bound, and how do we identify that during the market that we should trade or not trade? And
Yeah, yeah. Are you a market profile trader?
I'm going to be.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. We can able to and see what is your current trading method? You are a price action trader or indicator trader?
Uh, Indicator, sir.
Okay, which indicator you are using?
Uh, Wipers with
Hmm.
uh,
So what is the method?
consolidation zone.
Currently, you have any method to identify the sideways?
Um, Nothing much. They say that we should read trending point, but
Okay.
trending point does
So
not give us.
I'm telling the one point here.
Yes, sir.
What is our market setup? Suresh sir, I will continue. Please a minute.
Okay.
Okay. So our underlying asset is there.
Mhm.
Correct. Bank Nifty or Nifty is our underlying asset.
Okay.
Okay. From the underlying asset, future is the derivative product. Correct.
Yes.
Based on the futuristic approach, options
Mhm.
are created. So
Yeah.
again is a derivative product. Okay.
Yeah.
From the options table, we have lot of options. Okay. Based on these options, who are all interested to participate in these options, based on the open contract, we have the data of open interest.
Okay. Yes.
So which step you have? One, two, three, 4, 5. While you are sitting in the fifth step, you are asking question for the step 1. Or you get the right answer?
No.
Because every second or every minute, every 15 minutes, the OA approach will be changes. Because the interest in this particular put side and call side will be dancing. So that's why we are facing some days we get a good strike. Some days will not happen. So the emotions of the trader will be always in the challenging part. That's why you are facing the challenge. Here, the market profile, we only seeing this area.
Okay.
Okay, and we have the proper approach. More than 50 plus references we are learning, and each and every 50% references have the separate behavior and how, and we are practicing how to follow through, how to identify the acceptance and the rejection. These are the knowledge you are making the more sufficient knowledge how to identify the auction strength. So once the auction strength happens, only the OA will be reflect.
Okay.
Hope I answered the question.
Yes.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you.
So இங்க நம்ம open stage, yeah, here the open stage, open equal to low at previous day buying single print and also below of the previous day value area. Correct. These are the approach. So while this finding this approach, Suresh sir, what is our
Okay.
what is our thinking whether it's a bearish or bullish?
It's a bullish.
Yeah, the first we are thinking actually below the value area, the concept is bearish. Correct. The
Yes.
open is a bearish open, but while you are utilizing this reference, we are changing our approach.
Okay.
If
Right.
people who missed this reference, they will approach is the downside only. The people who prepared along with this context, then they know whether we need to check there is a possibilities to get the proper reversal, right? From here the close, here the open, possibilities for reversal. Okay. Then first 30 minutes, what happened? The upside
It
auction,
was
correct?
upside. Yeah. Yeah.
Upside auction. The first 30 minutes is a upside auction. Then slightly reduce, but almost positive close only. Okay. So open and close is a positive side only. Correct.
Right.
Then this is called our initial auction is open drive, correct?
Right.
Right. Then the next period is open. What the next period is doing? The next period is doing two-way auction. The auction gone down almost near to the A low, but not tested the open point. Then price gone up and again almost tested the, when the rejection happened, the L period of yesterday. The L period hop back is the one of the potential reference here. Hop back reference nearby again rejected, got the rejected and closed inside the A period. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So adding now A and B because now in the initial balance stage. So what is our approach? Above the A getting rejection. So if you are looking for upside, definitely we need above the 2-day high need the proper confirmation. Otherwise, no upside. Correct? And similarly, almost near the A, we are getting the rejection. So below the A, we need proper. So these two market confirmation we need. Otherwise, that will be the sideways. Correct?
So you mean to say that it's not broken initial balance of A and B? Like,
Yes, the auction
okay.
itself clearly guiding us A period upside auction, but A period upside auction not follow through by B period got the rejection from previous day reference, right? These are the previous day reference. This area we have the previous day reference. One second. Open, on up, and while they entering the previous balance area, while entering the previous balance area, A period itself got rejection. Okay, but we think this normally happen. But B period almost came down. Okay,
Okay.
almost came down. Only 2 to 3 TPOs only is pending. Then again buying interest. The who given the buying interest at A period low. Similarly, they given the buying interest in the B period low as well. Okay, but the auction not able to cross the balance. Correct.
Correct.
A period getting rejection from the POC. B period getting the rejection from the balance. So what is your approach now? Both both side responsive action.
Okay.
Absent now. We need initiator buy or initiative sell. Clear?
Okay.
Hope I answered. That's why we can able to expect the sideways for the period of time. And once the E period is crossed the level but not able to close outside of AB. That's one of the indication. E period open, tested both side, but finally closed in the inside of the initial balance.
So you mean to say there is no trade on that day?
There is no trade for the direction.
Okay.
There is a trade for the direction.
But when will you confirm that there is no trade? Because there is a one E period which came outside, right?
Instead of asking, instead of having what is the indication to do the trade,
Mm.
you can change your question slightly.
Mm.
What the indication we got to trade?
Okay, fine.
Okay. This question will be the answer for that question. So we have to just slightly we will change our approach and seeing the market. Definitely, the way of thinking will be different as the auction process. Okay.
Okay.
Similarly, we can follow the next day how we got the rejection. Also, we have the answer properly, right? Same approach you can apply for this day.
Mm.
Open. Okay. Test drive. But we got the rejection. How this day is getting rejection? Similar got rejection and closed here, and B period almost open equal to high, then the auction downside. Then auction downside. Here we have the indication, right? Single print.
Yes.
And other facts, a lot of facts are that not only I believe the single print, I follow a lot of other facts also as my experience. Okay. At
Okay.
least we get one indication of single print. So we have to be looking only the strategy now. So while I'm understanding that we have to, these are the reference open drive or open test drive or open reject reversal or you can if you follow it. These are all is a open first 30 minutes only valid. Okay, if this validity need continue, we need same auction process continue from the B. Then C. We can't take decide based on this particular action for the entire day. Example for these 2 days. Here open equal to low, good. Here open test drive, again rejected. This is the way market confusing in the tricky. While the opening the market, the OI will be showing the status of lot of call open interest are there. Immediately after 9:45, that will mention changes. Lot of put open interest day by step by step by step by step. So that's why I'm not believe the other strategies or other indicators. I believe only the auction process. And my followers also
So,
same way I am guiding. Yes, sir.
so you mean
Anybody's?
to say like, sorry, you mean to say like without any other tool like volume or anything, so you can with based on only market profile, you can able to identify uh, the sideways
Yes.
market. That's what you mean to
Yes.
say?
I'm yes. I'm following only market profile and volume profile. These both only I'm following.
Okay.
95% I'm following. Okay. Remaining 5% is the high level approach only. I'm using the other normal charts because we don't have enough data in my hand of market profile. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Request members to raise your questions so that useful to other members. Even I'm not believe order flow also, Suresh sir.
Okay.
Okay. But order flow we can able to follow in some extent, but there are also some challenges is there. Welcome, Shiva sir. So any other same similar instance you are faced in this week, you can share your experience so that that will be help to remaining members. And also announcing the who are all willing to join my mentorship, please message me and approach us through Telegram or any message. And people who are all not joined in our markets in profile group, you can give your Telegram ID. We can add in our markets in profile Telegram group. So hence lot of I have planned to have regular webinars to discuss about subjective questions from the members.
Sir, just I have one doubt
Yes,
on
Arul sir.
Sir, May 2nd might be the question will be repetition.
Mm-hmm.
Sir, like for example, like the first 3 period, like always, I mean, there is shows like it will be in the sideways. But when normally when E breaks, you raise a question that what indicates to take that trade. Correct, sir? It means like indicates means you mean like some single print something should be there. That's a
Yes, yes. The basic as a beginner of the market profile. Okay, as a beginner of market profile, we have to follow the few of the basic indication. So once you become a expertise by day, you will see lot of references.
Okay.
Okay. So as a beginner of the, so you are a recent batch from Sarunan.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, if recent batch from Sarunan is a foundation course. You are completing only the foundation of the market profile. So we have to continue our journey lot. So it's an initial stage of foundation means this is the first step. You are transforming yourself from either the price action trader or indicator trader or the other chart pattern trader or any other method. First, you are changing your approach to see a market profile, how to read the market profile, how to understand the market profile for the recent 2-3 days only you are aware. So what I am telling, you should be elaborate yourself and make more days how to understand the profile to identify the trend as well. Okay.
Okay.
So for example, here you asked a question, right? I don't want to disappoint you. What is this? This is the one balance is there, right?
Correct.
So if you're thinking the single print is broken, that's not enough. Who is the cause for the single print? This balance is the cause for the single print. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So even you've taken the trade, you should, once you see this reaction, then you have to reduce our position or put the stop loss strictly.
Okay.
Maybe the chances for going up also.
Okay. Okay, sir. Got it, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So any other questions from my members? You can feel free, utilize whenever the time you are got, you can utilize to get some clarifications.
Sir, can we discuss on that volume profile query which I have posted?
Volume profile. See, in your volume profile, what is your doubt? So here the volume profile is there. Here this volume profile is there.
Okay.
So if your volume profile
picture,
is there, in that picture, this is the one of the high volume node. You have to think, you don't see the numbers and all. You can see the shape. This is the high volume node. This is the high volume node. Okay. These are the areas are how we are using the fair value, right, in our market profile. Similarly, it will be act as a fair value. These are the area.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is the way we have to approach the volume profile. For example, I change the view. This is the swing low, right? You can adjust your screen from swing low to high. Okay. So where the major volume R happens, this is the area, right?
Yeah.
After the market gone up, right? Similarly, next this is the high volume. So market is currently is where? Between this balance, right?
Yes.
So this is the way we have to use the volume profile.
Okay. Can we get some insights after, the indicator or the information I had on the screenshot was about the bid and ask volume.
The bid and ask is
So
volume,
is
is a
a
buy and sell volume, right? The each line have the
yes,
different color. They are providing
yeah.
how much the buy volume, how much the sell volume is coming. That's it. There is no other informations are there.
Okay, so but one of the I mean in the
Some
either in the
lines
bid side
have the
or
no
the
sell volume, only the buy volume. That is the more buy volume
exactly.
only is indicating the day, right? That's only that's all. Okay.
So
Don't
yeah, my
confuse
question
the.
here is so
Mm,
if there is a bid, I mean if there is a zero in the bid volume, does it
mm.
indicate that the market is going to reverse or maybe in the
No,
other
no,
way around?
don't take that approach. I shared my knowledge,
Uh-huh.
right? How to see the uh, how to utilize that particular volume profile. For example, this is a Reliance profile. Okay, this is a Reliance profile. We can draw in the
Okay.
trading itself is a volume profile. Okay,
Yeah. Yes.
so once the price rejected from this balance, so here also two different color, right?
Yes.
Mm. Once the price rejected from this profile, what happened? After crossing this balance, okay,
Still goes down.
till so
Yeah.
so this particular volume is not enough to stop the market. This particular volume is not enough to stop the market. Okay, market is completely out of balance. That's why searching for the new balance. Correct. Here
Yeah.
the new balance.
Sir, sorry for interruption. Sir, during the trading, we cannot know, right? Volume
No,
is
no,
not
we
enough,
we
or
we we have to prepare it, Suresh. We have to prepare it. I will share the same view in our Nifty chart or Bank Nifty chart. We can able to prepare. We have. That's why I'm telling. We are not yet started finding the way how to see. We still we are fixing the mind. No way for in the while we are running the market. No way for us. No, no. We have to prepare us where can identify this particular approach. See,
one minute, sir. So, for example, once we are in the during the trading, once we are started our day for trading, so there are lot
mm,
many possibilities where we can
step
expect the
by
market
step by
to.
step by step reference we have to follow. Simple, don't complex. See here, this is the swing low, right? This is the swing low. Market goes up. Considering the timeline, I am using this market profile. Sorry, volume profile. Otherwise, I will use only market profile. See here, these are the high volume node. Okay, this overall swing, right? Similarly, similarly, we have the short-term references. This is the balance out of balance. The market is out of balance. Correct? Market is out of balance right here.
Yes, sir.
So once out of balance, there is any possibility to stop within the market this area? Almost, almost imbalance area, right? That is almost near to this balance. So how we can follow? How we can follow? I'll show in the market profile. See, A period you are happy, B period you are happy, C period you are happy, In D period, feel slightly you feel worry, right? Because slightly overlapping, correct? In D period and after C period and D period, we have overlapping, right? Here we have approach. This is the balance zone. This is the balance zone. Once the went off, again go and test and back. So these are all you still you have to continue your learning journey. These are the areas yet to you learn. Sorry to tell. Still we have to continue our learning. Suresh sir? Okay. We can have
Sure.
to, yeah. We have to continue our learning. If you continue your learning the same way, same approach, you are asking question, right? Similarly, you have to continuously you have to ask the question, still get the answer. Here is the answer is there. This is the balance area. Once the balance crossed by the market and again they're not able to enter in the balance because this downside auction is strong and the upside turn auction not able to prove that strength here, definitely get rejected and back. Okay, by day you continue your auction process, you will feel this. For example, here the low come, right? Market low come. So what happened? Not able to continue. Not able to continue. So here, if you think this is the inside, we already have some one P profile, then rejected, then again they tried this E period, again try the P period, still not able to come out of the balance. So we have lot of continuous learning we need. This is the one type of method we have to be see the market profile, breaking the session of the day. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So keep in touch with me.
Sure, sure.
Okay. So each and every period as a market profile trader, definitely will get the answer. Even if we miss the even if you miss the live trade, we'll get the answer. So it's a continuous process. You are preparing yourself day by day, get the answer for your miss outs. Definitely one day you will not miss out on the live trade day. I will guarantee. Okay.
The challenge is that need to predict the market
We
for
no
that
no the
day. That's
challenge
the
is no no
biggest.
no no. I am telling the challenge is a trade plan. Challenge is a trade plan. We always using the following trade plan. That's the problem. Market is going down, we are going. The coming down, then we stop. We are vibrating. No, this already market is triggered here. Already the trade plan is downside is fixed. Follow the downside trade plan and we hold till proper confirmation for upside. That's we are not doing right. We making buying at 49,300 and exit at 2,200. That's why we are our trade plan is poor. Our trade plan is poor. Directly it tells trade plan is poor. So we should know what type of trade plan for the day. That also we have to prepare daily. What type of trade plan is better for the day? What I missed? You make a journal, write a journal. Today market behave like that. Which trade plan I taken that is not suitable for this particular day? So which trade plan is suitable for this day? We have to choose that trade plan and follow. Example, you can sell the call. If you sell the call, it's a good approach. Just I'm telling one example. So that's it. Almost 2 hours over now. So any other questions I can answer. Otherwise, we'll wind up for the day. So let me see on the another good session. Definitely. Thanks Simbu for coordinating the session, and thanks Aditya sir for providing the reference to the new members. At least get the overview of market profile. So last session I give complete overview of market profile, how to read the market profile, how to watch the market profile by in the day trade by period. These are the areas we covered in the last week session. So this week session I given the importance of why we need to learn the market profile and why we need the proper mentorship learning through completing the proper understanding of market profile is a continuous learning process. And I provided few of the sample questions, how to we miss the opportunity, how we can retain ourselves while we are preparing the context trading plans. Okay, so the context trading plan is very important. While we are approaching the market, definitely we have to do context of the what is the latest day happen, what is the previous day happen, what is the recent days approach are the at least we should know top to bottom areas. Here what are the reference? Here this is the triple distribution day, right? So here the triple distribution reference are there. Okay, and again we got the rejection, and same this is the balance day, and post that while we are entering this day, these are the reference are available. Here we have lot of anomalies in this area. So there is a possibilities to clear the anomalies. Market once the break these balances came here, which anomaly is stronger? This is not stronger. This balance is not stronger. This balance is not stronger. This particular single print reference is stronger. While market coming down, coming down, coming down. This is the first reference, second reference, and third reference, and the next reference, and single print the next reference. Then finally, where the price find the buyer, this single print find the buyer, market closed here. This buyer is strong, then clear this high and proceed further. If the buyer is not strong, the seller is strong, definitely market tomorrow maybe open here and get the reject and come back and clear this single print and test this balance. So this is the way we have to be prepared with the proper context, with the proper reference marking, and we have to approach the market stage by stage. When the open, what is the auction process? Then next to the what is the auction process? Stage by stage we have to follow it. Then we can able to understand the market approachly by quite period. So thereafter you will become an expert in the market. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. All the best. Best wishes. Continues your learning. Okay. So that is my only one suggestion I'm telling to everyone. Don't give up. Never give up. So never give up attitudes is our Indians. Okay, don't give up. We are entering the trading community, but we should prove as a successful trader. That is our ambition, because a lot of people are watching around us, right? Our friends, our relatives, our family members are watching us. Right? What we going to do success in the trading? We have to answer them correctly. We are the successor in the trading, right? So these are the things I shared in my today session. So what are the difficulties we are facing? What are the things we have to avoid? How to overcome uh, through the continuous learning? Okay, if you are willing to continuous learning, definitely I will be stand with you. No question on that point. Okay, through the market profile. Already a lot of members I trained for the last 3 months. The first set of people started trading now, so they have a lot of experience. So if you want to discuss with my membership members uh, in the telegram group, we can find the feedback of our membership program people. Here the feedbacks are properly provided. You can message any of the members given the feedback and get this discussion whether this particular mentorship program is suitable for you or not. If you really are suitable, don't delay. As soon as you can join, that is benefit to you, because I'm not a batch based trainer. I'm trying to make individual training for a few sessions and understand the learner's psychology. Then only I will add it in the batch. Before adding in the batch, I will do some internal daily individual session with these people. Then only I will approach on that. So if you are anybody willing to join my mentorship program, please liaise with these people. And these are all people who have already learned the market profile, then for the continuous learning, joining with me. But here I'm not teaching only the market profile. I give teaching mainly on the how to use the option strategies to align with our market profile strategy. So here we are making the alignment of our one side. I increase the knowledge in the market profile. Once the knowledge is increased, then I give the guidance how to align our option strategies with market profile to get the good money. This is our way of approach in the market. So you can take time, discuss with here the members who are all posted their honest comment here, make individual discussion with them. You can think this particular mentorship is suitable for you. Then you have to decide. Once you decided, don't delay. That is my only suggestion. Okay, you take decision, delay. That's good. Before taking any decision, we have to analyze. So once you're taking the decision, don't delay to join, because that is the challenges now a lot of people are facing. Okay. Uh, Here the two language I'm taking the session. One is the English and Tamil. I doesn't know Hindi, so that's why I'm not able to support in the Hindi language. So that the mediating language is our English language we are utilizing. Few of the Northeast members also joined in my group, and few of the people from Maharashtra and Gujarat also joined in my group. They are learning through the English language. Okay, so they're feeling good in market profile now. So day by day they will improve. But my mentorship program, not a 10 days or 15 days program. This is a 3 months program. First 1 month continuous learning, then the second month fully practical approach. The third month we all discuss until all the doubt clearance and distance and get a clarity in the market. Then start the trading. Okay, so 3 months my tenor. Some of the members have the capability, they overcome in 45 days. Some of the members have the capability overcome in 60 days. Okay, this depends upon its individuality skills. And same time, if the office goers and they are doing other business, definitely they're not able to give more time in the practice. That's why taking time. The people who are a full-time trader, they will utilize very good in a month and learn and complete. Then they will understand clearly. Then they will know how much capital is required, what is the money management. Then they're taking a look on how to do further in the market in the success side. Okay. Uh, so just now came here after mentorship. After mentor, come here after. Okay, that's not mentorship. That is a foundation course. So the definition of mentorship is completely different. Please check the meaning of that. So something you are completing the course is not a mentorship. Okay, sorry Shiva. Okay, thank you. All the best. Keep in touch. If you are in any tough situation in the market, any chart you are taking the position in the equity, I think you can share the post in the group. We will guide you. So whether which side we have to hold or not or get out. Okay. Thank you. Feel free. See here the language is not a barrier. We have a communication in the group in English language and approach easily and people friendly. If any new member in the group, please message your Telegram ID or other details. We add in our group to have the regular interaction with us. Okay. All the best. Happy trading. Wishes for the success. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
எதுவுமே இல்லை தெரியாதப்பா கம்பெனிக்கு அவ்வளோதான்